Hey everybody, Everyday Kiwi Mumma here. I am coming to you with a new recipe today. This is a family favourite. It's one that I've been making for years and years now, at least for the last 15 years. It's something that's always requested by my father-in-law at Christmas time because he loves it so much, and that is my chocolate mousse. Now, I haven't changed this recipe at all other than over the years I've just gone from using milk chocolate to dark chocolate. So my recipe will be in the description, but just sit back and enjoy, and I really hope that you give this a try. Okay guys, let's get to it. There you are, my chocolate mousse. Super easy, just 4 ingredients really. It's just eggs, vanilla, cream and chocolate. There are no extra sweeteners in it. I use dark chocolate in mine, very dark chocolate, so I don't add any sweetness. That's enough for us. But yeah, super easy. Takes less than half an hour, unless you're like me and you get distracted with other stuff. Put it in the fridge now and you can eat it kind of within 30 to 45 minutes. Alright guys, I will see you next time. Enjoy!